Okay, so let's look at more fractions in algebra. So this time we have x plus 2 over 3 minus 4 plus x over 4. So the rules are still the same, right? We have to look for the common denominator, right? And that's going to be the lowest common multiple between these two numbers. So 3 and 4 both go into 12. So 12 is the common denominator. I divide 3 into 12, I get 4, then 4 multiplies this whole thing. So it's 4 times x plus 2. And then 4 divides into 12, I get 3. Now there's a minus here, so it's minus 3. And then that multiplies everything. 4 plus x, right? So this minus 3 must multiply everything there. So we can proceed to the next step. Multiply everything by 4 there, multiply everything by a minus 3. So 4 times x, that's 4x, plus 4 times 2, that's 8. Then we have a minus 3 times 4, that's a minus 12. We have a minus 3 times a plus x, minus and a positive give you a negative. So 3 times x will give you a 3x there. And this is all over 12. So now we see that we've got some like terms, but they are not necessarily next to each other. So we need to move the minus 3 to the 4x and then keep this 8 and 12. So if we rearrange, we will have 4x minus 3x plus 8 minus 12 all over 12. 4x minus 3x will give you x, and then 8 minus 12 will give you a minus 4. And this is all over 12. So x and 4 are not like terms. We can't simplify any further, so we stop there. Right, we've got another example here, which is 2 times y minus 2 over 5 plus 4 over 3 times 1 minus y. So I just want you to know that this is the same as 2 times y minus 2 all over 5 plus 4 times 1 minus y all over 3. So 4 over 3 times that is the same as 4 times that all over 3. It's just the same thing. So we move to our next step, which is simply looking for the common denominator, right? We've got 5 and we've got 3. The number that they both go into is 15. 5 into 15, that's 3, right? Then we take 3 and multiply this number on the outside, right? 3 times 2 gives you a 6. And then the 6 is what is going to multiply the y minus 2. Then plus 3 into 15, that's 5. Then 5 times 4 gives you a 20. The 20 is what's going to multiply what's inside there. So you have to be very careful there. Only multiply this number on the outside there. And then that number is what's going to multiply. The result of that multiplication is what's going to multiply what's inside the brackets. So if we multiply this, right, we'll get 6y minus 12. 6 times y is 6y. 6 times 2 is 12. Plus 20 times 1 is 20. And then 20 times minus y is minus 20y. Again, we can identify like terms. We have a 6y and a minus 20y. They're not necessarily together, so we need to rearrange. So 6y minus 20y minus 12 plus 20. So this is equal to 6y minus 20y minus 12 plus 20. This is all over 15. 6y minus 20y will give you a minus 14y. Minus 12 plus 20 will give you a plus 8. And this is all over 15. So this is a y. This is not a y. You can't simplify any further. So we stop there.